Hello lovelies, this is your girl Debisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today I'll be doing for you guys a picture frame on my wall over here. As you can see, it's all blank now, but I'll be putting up a frame, and it's a very cheap project, so you don't have to worry about a lot of spending. I'll be using 4 picture frames. I got them from Bashko. And I'll be using my screwdriver, which is a Phillips screwdriver, along with also my 1-inch drywall screw. And I'll be putting them together in a little fancy way, and I'll be putting it up on my blank wall. So guys, if you want to see my finished look, stay tuned and I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I put my frames together along with my screws, and for this point I realized that I did not have everything straightened, so I got a level and I put it right at the top there because I wanted my frames to be in line. And I went ahead and I put my screws in. They were all leveled up at the bottom there, and I used my screws to put them in place. And I also used my lever on the side to ensure that my frames were set in place. And I used actually 2 screws on each frame because I wanted to be as strong as possible, because I didn't want when I put my frame up then it would fall, because you know guys, we're using mirrors and one fall and you know that would be it. So I actually put 2 screws in both frames because I wanted it to be very strong. So I continue to screw my frames together. After I was finished with the 5 frames, I decided to put another one at the top because I had another one, so I went and I put it at the top there to make it look more fancier. So I actually screw both sides on the frame to make it strong at the top. So guys, please don't forget to like my video, subscribe, and you can also leave your comment in the box below so I can know what you guys think about my videos. I screwed both sides on the frame at the top because that would be the one that I would use to hang the frame on the wall. So I did screw both sides. So at the top there I would actually use 4 screws to have that frame on. So guys, this is the finished look after I've put my frames together. I actually held it up on the floor before I hang it up so you guys could see. There it is. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you all like it. And as I said before, it's a very easy and cheap decor. You can go ahead and use for yourself. And please remember to like, subscribe, and you can share your thought in the comment box. And you can also share my videos. Thank you guys. I love you all. Bye.